Hi, champion. So what is that one thing that most online marketers refuse to do, will not do in the next year of their business? That one thing that will lose them customers, lose them revenue, lose them lots of free referrals for future business. That one thing is, are you ready? Great customer service. Most online marketers just don't care about customer service. They don't provide great or outstanding or excellent customer service or even good customer service or any customer service at all. Now, when they want your money, they're all on top of their game, right? They'll answer all your questions. Once they make the sale, it seems like many of them just move on to the next customer. Now, if you've ever bought anything, a piece of software, access to a membership site, whatever, online, and then you went to use it and you had a problem logging in or you had a problem using the software, so you write the company and you're just hoping and praying that you'll hear back from them within a few hours so you can get your work done tonight and knock it out. And you don't hear from them within a few hours, and you don't hear from them within 24 hours. You don't hear from them within 2, 3, 4 days or a week or weeks or months or years, if ever. And it's really frustrating. And when that happens, you end up getting a bad taste in your mouth. You don't buy any more products or services from that vendor, most likely. You don't refer that vendor or service provider to any of your friends and family or anybody else. They used to say that if you liked a product or service, you tell 7 friends. And if you didn't like a product or service, you tell 21 people complaining about it. Well, that was before social media. Now that we have social media, if you like or dislike a product or service, one post on Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram, a blog post could end up going viral and contacting thousands of people. Plus, it ends up becoming part of your permanent online record. So if somebody looks up your name or your company and then they see the negative reviews, it hurts your business. You don't need that. You can take a negative and turn it into a positive. Now, when somebody asks a question, everybody right now has an iPhone or an Android. So even when you're out of the office, if you get, let me use myself as an example. If I'm out of the office and I get an email that says there's a problem, I will email that person right away. I'll say I'm out of the office right now. I might say, I'm at the post office, I'm at the mall, whatever. I will get back to you tonight when I get back in my office, or at the latest within 24 hours. So when you do that, you build the brand loyalty, you build loyalty to you, you show people that you really do care, they want to do more business with you, they want to refer you to their friends and family. If you found this helpful, please click the subscribe button below, click that little bell for the notifications, leave a comment, share this post with anybody that you think needs it. If you really want to take your online marketing business to the next level, check out Jupiter Jim's Marketing Club. That's JupiterJim.CLUB. And I have thousands of video tutorials, over 40 courses that teach you almost everything you need to know to become a successful online marketer. Thanks so much for listening. I really appreciate it. Take care and have a great day.